Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can have a blank name on Among Us. It's really easy and it shouldn't take a lot of time, so I'm going to get started right now. The first thing that you need to keep in mind is that this is only doable on the mobile version of Among Us. If you have the PC version of Among Us, you can't do it no matter how hard you try. So, let's get started. What you need to do is just look up Unicode character U plus 3164 and just go on the first website. And once you are here, you are just going to hold on this little white square and just copy it. And once you've copied it, the only thing left to do is for you to paste it on your Among Us game. So let's go on Among Us. And as you can see right here, I'm opening Among Us right now. Understand? Online, just change out your name to whatever you copied. And as you can see right here, I've just pasted the name, and now I can just join an Among Us game and my name tag will be invisible. Other players won't be able to see my name, or I'll just have no name on the Among Us app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one. See you guys. Cheers.